Hey everyone! So today I'm doing the achievement for this 2025. So just one first one, I'm able to bring my parents in UK and super thankful na kay God na their visa approved and all the process is smooth. So super happy and I'm able to bring them here and makapag-celebrate ng birthday, Christmas, and susunod itong New Year. So, I'm thankful. So, next is I'm able to travel with my family in Scotland. Actually, ito na yung pinakamalayo namin na narating. But I'm so happy because I'm with my family, be able to went and see the beauty of Scotland. Next is I'm thankful for being the content creator and being able to monetize. So, hindi naman siya gaano kalaking pera but still I'm able to earn money. Then next is nakapag-purchase ako ng vlogging camera. Yan, nakakatuwa. Yung Instax 360. So, another achievement unlock. And next time, this year I'm able being 13 years in nursing field, able to give care sa patient. I'm thankful because I'm instrument to take care little ones in the hospital. And also, just want to say thank you to God for being I'm alive. I'm blessed. So all the things that happening to me, it's because of God. Di naman perfect yung life namin, but still I'm thankful and grateful for all the blessings that we received this 2025. So, yeah, una yan. Sarah. Ayun lang.